Get pandas.read_CSV to read empty values as empty string instead of nan. I'm using the pandas library to read in some CSV data. In my data, certain columns contain strings. The string nan is a possible value, as is an empty string. I managed to get pandas to read nan as a string, but I can't figure out how to get it not to read an empty value as nan. Here's sample data and output. It correctly reads nan as the string nan, but still reads the empty cells as nan. I tried passing in str in the converters argument to read_CSV, with converters equals 1 column str, but it still reads the empty cells as nan. I realize I can fill the values after reading, with fillna, but is there really no way to tell pandas that an empty cell in a particular CSV column should be read as an empty string instead of nan?
I was still confused after reading the other answers and comments. But the answer now seems simpler, so here you go. Since Pandas version 0.9 from 2012, you can read your CSV with empty cells interpreted as empty strings by simply setting keep_default_not equals false. This issue is more clearly explained in more consistent non_values handling in read_CSV issue number 1657 pandas_dev/pandas. That was fixed on August 19, 2012 for Pandas version 0.9n. Bug, more consistent non_values number 1657 pandas_dev/pandas at D9ABF68.
I added a ticket to add an option of some sort here. This URL. In the meantime, result.filner should do what you want. Edit, in the development version, to be 0.8.0 final. If you specify an empty list of NA_values, empty strings will stay empty strings in the result.
We have a simple argument in pandas read_CSV for this. Use
What pandas defines by default as missing value while read_CSV can be found here. The output. With that you can do an opt-out.
If you want to keep the empty strings for just one column, define str as the column converter. Dtypes won't work. Checked with pandas 1.1.5.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.